Check this one out here, unique, especially in classics. Won't see one of these every day. 1978 Checker Marathon A11 taxi cab. Real deal. Be able to check out the still pictures and see the VIN plate on it, the data plate, undersides, interior. I'll tell you where to check that out here in just a bit. First of all, underneath the hood, inline 6-cylinder, 250 cubic inch, inline 6-cylinder. Actually, a General Motors engine, casting number 377127. So it's basically vintages between a 73 and 1979 250. And of course, taxi cab yellow. Inline 6 paired up with an automatic transmission. Now, if you want to check out those still pictures so you can see the interior, check out those, the data plate, the VIN plate like I talked about, underside, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. How fun would this one be to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows? Won't see one of these every day. Do have a little corrosion down here, and I have that in the still pictures too. You'll be able to take a look through the still pictures, see a few little spots. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The car is also equipped with power steering and power brakes. Of course, many of these were New York City cabs. Once again, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. A couple little spots over here I wanted to point out. I did have in the still pictures also on the driver's side. Go ahead and check out the rear of this. I see the seating area. Black and gray vinyl interior, rubber flooring. This actual VIN plate I talked about earlier, and there'll also be a data plate that is underneath the hood in the engine bay. You'll be able to check that out in those still pictures. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. There is a switch down here below the dash that will turn on the taxi light on the roof. Love these gauges. Checker gauges in it. Of course, the meter with just some car show magnets around it. Radio does work. Have had that working. Have had the wipers working. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Guess it's what you'd expect out of an inline 6-cylinder. GM from the late 80s, so kind of era correct engine for this. Year wise. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood. Let you check out the engine bay, listen to that engine run. We'll wrap this video up. Take a look under the hood. In the background, there's the data plate I was talking about. Check any of that out. So HEI ignition, again, power steering, power brakes, inline 6-cylinder, 150 cubic inches, GM engine from between 1973 and 1979. 1978 Checker Marathon A11 taxi cab. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's a 1978 Chevrolet Checker cab. Not every day I get to drive a cab. These vehicles kind of went unchanged since the 50s in some ways. This one's easy to drive, handles good. Our turn signal indicators work. The radio works. Blower motor works. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but we've got dry roads today, which makes for good videos. Fuel gauge is just over half. Let's get her up to speed. We got wipers that work. And we're at highway speed. Goes down the road good. Brakes work good on this car. Comes with the cab box inside. Great for car shows.